You are really a video now.
Okay.
So you know that mama no so no Imola City, Italy. And most of na time where area magie paple.
Okay.
Where's
the first of all, where's the opportunity to get platform and then we want one.
Oh, my God.
Concerning that very issue. So, it may surprise the way show me. Information of the Frank man of William or you will get to
okay.
So, it's a very big grace and shame to him. You understand? Why? Because now, let's tell you, it's so then I have to move. Am I going to move every morning? Just that, if we might be so efficient,
yeah.
Imola, SCT, Ogove, Gogo, all that time. More is the organizer.
Okay.
So, again, my aqually hall, because my mother and me hall is 60 months because on the wall, I can be hall, near you been at Yamia. So, this is Yamia one and all the money man who Johnny. So, unfortunately, the woman I was this series, for that series, and my we show over at least. Well, that married from 3 to 4.
Yeah.
My women they showed in Yaya. So before they showed in us were around 12. In my hero, yeah, we might so hero. So Irani or what about the buy,
please share this video, guys. Please, guys, share this video. Give me love and like. Because almost what go the talks is then say the show way AKOBE go. Eri amageku. Eri nokpa. Eri nokpa. And why ye woman like that? Wait, talk say na so pa madam. Yeah, me picture way because you almost what more video ni ne. Almost what a picture no we mu yo ni. No kwa na we video where ye mage AKOBE play wagu ya mu anytime any day ni ya me ho ni. Yeah oh. Ugbo ni agbo madam ugbo ni agbo e o to yan lega right on tami me no sunu e show ni yan baba madam yo share this video, guys. Give me love and like down your way baba.
Okay, I'm going to and if you walk by why so border to have a ticket where the ticket of Rampe now yes so okay and man we problem here on to receive the ticket yes we near la one ya danyo near na so na janyo ko ware so na be anyo be baba near na ya wo e man ya ta we man ya be po all we be ma all we be okay ugwala we ma be la nyo so my give ni my akwa ya le so to sit na e ma na ko do e bwe na go e wewo then unfortunately 12 to 2 e go ma prove e pa ya be for me wa ka kan
yeah
you understand so again around 12:31 e ma ka o do ya appreciate the ticket down to the lowest budget and when I do tell yana do ilawa e we ni ma ge ni ma gi aje yana do lawa na ni buwo yero e dem ma ke do isu e ibe ati sinaka gbene ni eri nesti e yana ya platform gere then e pa e je ni na e pa orara di be
yeah
get yana we ni ya wa ka o kere ni ya ba wa iro de one police na karo go cow yana we na do the music where on last week where ave man iri tikini ya call. One like me. Either my or Mario Wa, then Anna to bring it, Anna to know the music. I know the music. And I will buy around to 2. You understand?
Yeah.
Around to 2. It's been announced where we now you know soon my father one to mother me. You're not to been another to import to okay, they got the United to have with me more. You understand? So, Meriba, Mana, Maseto, and so did die. Already, even the Parliament in the West one.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
You understand? So, what was saying now? Mana, I put Pinani boy, police not to rest. The police here already been a road on it, and I go out that way, and all of me. Normally around one, I get my
first.
You get it now. Siri after me, man. I will not allow. You know, now the teacher tell music. The metal my brother been as well as well. And we have been an activist where you so again. And then here when the material man is doing me when he allow now what the music is already elected the rara. In my way that carry ego maya, ego maya, the muere at least so far for.
Yes.
30 minutes in my way 30 minutes get and no ya for. Therefore never need police now with me to body 30 minutes in man. They receipt in my pay they all in Maria Latia. Which a receipt in it where a woman or put or a man. You understand?
Yeah.
And the woman receipt Latia because according to our paper, we are a receipt Latia. Here we mutayo. That's what she said. Or Maria the receipt Latia. And without the receipt, here 30 minutes in the man my perform. Now, a parana the manager of the Paraguay, okay? In that case, the Paraguay off. Now, if I say, where I see my ass, the key, what I done.
Yeah.
When I stop the music, I went to Pamari, the Paraguay off. I didn't my ass, the Paraguay, and I can't go there. It's been a phone, and I do a Paraguay way off. AKOBE, respect in AKOBE, mais moi je vais no gati tibege na ala a man is so too much loyal. You understand? Everything we move wele ejeje tinyegi. Even we been ani get a sweat. They have to say so no. All we been as well and yet you are your rogo. All we yegi tue. But because we been only making that exam. Buyer the bill away on him. And the buyer away on my brother. And the TJ out away. I went to primary platform. No one away on my brother. And here women are one move. Or go yesterday, my dele almost 3,000, 200 euro my heart and I know. I don't swap people going to go. Now, I don't know where I don't get to get my parliamentary. They ain't away. Then it below our 30 now. Yeah, one with the lion and women and don't get ticket. We are that.
When I was a young bagger.
You understand? Only the limit, no one care, no one
Jesus Christ.
Only a common a coma. Who get it? In my way, you want to recover. What I thought? You must be a proverb, you get any learning. What I thought?
Yes.
So, now, my brother, if I could pay you well.
You.
Now, guy. It's only where picture I have picture the bill of because to go so can other men so now they are
Yeah. I remember no. I remember so yeah.
Because
Ira investigation. I say I can almost one hour no jade. Imagine I was doing my investigation to know what really happened. Understand me? But do that way you are one of the organizer of the show. I just want you to come outside to speak. Where I go and about make me ata. Yeah.
thank you very much. So, you understand the runner? So,
Nigga, we are like they didn't go on weba. Who am I go? And so que no acabó en Balbele que ya. Yeah. Okay. Ọmọ ṣe wọn na gbé wọn gbọ́ pé aláyìí ọmọ ṣe ya. Yeah. That woman will come out for inside that or another attack with Maggie AKOBE play. Do you know that woman? Where? Again, the police ya ready for AKOBE ya with the all. No good now, but it disturb. Yeah. Ya kwe pala we canopy. Ya ga gba le. Yes. Yeah.
which is it's not a good something. So if I'm not see the show me, and when I start Obima, every now and then you obey organizers. Why? A mismanagement of time. Everyone understand?
Yeah.
We took that place for ourselves. A mismanagement of time, you are not my brother. So that's just it.
Wow, man. Where's the matter? So nobody bless you. For those of you that is just coming in, this is one of the show organizer of AKOBE, the last show that he went to before he traveled back to Nigeria last weekend. He is one of the organizers of the show. You know, some days ago, a Muslim came outside to say, now so they pursue a part for show, a park on go gathering. He said a lot of rubbish about AKOBE, you know. So I did my investigation because me, I be person who get sense. After much investigation, and I realized that not be the way a Muslim content present him, not be so it happen. Why we all every no Muslim has to know. That is why I have to bring in one of the show organizers to talk on this issue, so that everybody will know the way it happen. Where's my brother? Why am I wagmo? You are me. Where's he? Please guys, share this video for me. All right. Okay, Leledo, no problem. I'll do that. No, I'll do that. Please share this video for me. Share the video. The thumbs up is not much at all. Please share the video. All right, my people. Franco Moswo, bega mowe. Motamowa, weti mowani ya. Percy way don't go far like AKOBE. It is very difficult for somebody like you, Nagmofi, to spoil AKOBE name. Now, so you always do anything at all. You will always look for something. Okay, you want to have it to you regarding that show. Hello, bros.
Hey, Chama.
Hello.
The organizer knew what
Okay. Start me here.
It's not. Understand? AKOBE man, you said the problem no arrive or big guy man is like we mula dino that complete me.
Yes.
The police carry. Yana we a bewu. Nia ya authorizing ni akuwe wana.
Yeah.
So yana kapba. The very second time, I need the problem be assume. People say if boy no we sitting bin na abusef. Or just maybe no bad.
Where?
The same boy we sit.
When a piece of the boy go away.
Yes na.
Ugondo gbe ya eva.
Omani ave gbogo yo hun. O se me yi no. Who say me tell you no dem ya no ni wa.
Can you imagine? What's the okay? Let the egbe boy anywhere whether you. Awe issue AKOBE omalawu.
Because a boy ni we are guy responsibility because a boy many times a boy needs a problem. Man start.
Don't let the problem egbe baba ba say.
That is the guy no gbogo yo si mo huni.
Okay.
Yeah, short ya ni ya fefe my brother. All of them osmeya thing.
Okay.
Understand? The other one not gbogo no ro. Ocho se me wa no gongo che ni here no.
Okay.
Ocho no the only team we know there. When my gbe. Well, now we hear team chance because me winner since Saturday. When I say we said if we are not good no go, not see the problem. I said the picture no baba.
You want the picture very important. You want the picture because AKOBE don't play with different countries. Or they don't play with Germany. A buy rubbish na masunu. Why some of people where they tell you some of now? Why don't they do like this? Why don't they do like this? Some of now where they tell you. Gwamana gbina ne why bet gwalokpa in Nigeria re adiawebo come look for greener pasture. Why take party? Why you gbina party? Bros, a boy na a picture of send them away.
A boy ni also the problem. After the
in fact, almost will get it.
When you are stopping the coup.
Almost will get it.
Everybody will swear. The night started the boy, the picture boy, which was up now.
I don't know where some people. See, some of them where they Italy, some of them not be all. Some boys for Italy. Now they give Nigeria a bad name for that side. That's why I mean like Germany. You say that rubbish on a try for Imola City. If not Germany, all of una go in. All of una go in for it. Also, Germany is one of the most securest country in the world. Where you will rubbish, man. You can't do anything here and go free. Una want give a park with a bad name. No worry, your picture now go land my table. Or Mazwa came outside to paint a park with a black and blue, so that people will not say, hey, yeah, well, I will. Ah, we pala will. The power only dies. If they distract me, you need to hold on. Die. No, if they distract me, die. Ah, you will get to know about it. That one a different case.
Papa is hungry.
You understand? So that's why the matter be. Italian people for Italy, some of them will be Nigerians. No, they give Nigerian people bad name. Worry bad. No, they give a bad name. Now, your picture don't land my table now. Mudia, they get the thing sent there go many. And the other woman, where do video talk say, a Akobeghian magekuya wakolaja, we okwoni ogbon yagbo. If I bono fiakule lo mozwo, no na wa. No na me we ogwale friendship lele ya here. You don't say look for Sereka friendship or mozwo. Agwe ga ire ugun ogwale friendship we. You don't defend that now. You go where bury me you born now. You don't try to defend that now. Na Sereka can be your person. Wa asu wagbo mozwo ba bola we gbe. Una say this life don't judge people by what you hear from a hater. Omozwa is one of the haters of AKOBE. Or still not rule la don't say to blog gay. Na ba wo gwan. When you tell us anyhow, they pay the part complete. They still give a part award. At the end of the day, now these people still be the problem when lead to what happened that day. Not be a part fault. A part even if not some musicians, when we know, they don't go stay inside that fact. They don't go stay inside that fact because where? They will try to protect themselves, but they were still in that hall, snapping picture with people, where some muggles, where don't know what they can do for Europe, some idiots. That now those kind of boys go talk in the afternoon, say, why have a Germany and a why have a Germany? Now these same people now go party go the fight. You see why they say Germany is one of the most securest country. You can't do this. Why think we have a Germany 1 minute they don't take you. 1 minute they don't take you. And una way still be the show organizer. I go still blame una small. I blame una small because why? Una also they bring somebody like a AKOBE they come. Una need to look for a conducive environment whereby a park will fit play. For all the shows where a park can play for Italy, we play for different countries. For this Europe tour we come before it can go back to Africa. Now una can be problem. A park they go shows or ye Paris or ye Germany, Igbava. Why they go different cities for Italy? So please show organizers. Imagine those wow, because where you guys really came outside to say the truth. You guys really say the truth where they not soon see how it happen, see the way it happen, see who caused the problem. Now one of the show organizers they really caused the problem of the show. That is how it is. Because almost what came outside on I do. I'm winning paria. Make people forget to say these are you guys. Almost what? Waiting when you paria. Kewaya flag monaria way. Epa eke is epa eke. Waiting when you don't useless your life. You don't know. Epa se Nigeria ne diakepa. Wa sung wagmo. Ma bola wegbe. Ofio te bremenia. O ma kama we nya o. No way you vie pa nya o. Epa la ya mwe bo wa we. Ofiote bremen la jan that here. Epa e na na yira we media. We why is wa wa gele mwe bo. But una dey say almost one now. Still dey insult a AKOBE enemy now. Wa ma meti ka me pa. Wa ma meti ka almost wo we. Almost wo ga iro ye ma na. Ga iro yo pe ana una fall down do. Una fall down. O ma gwa. Albert Doro. You go mo fe wo baba. Albert don step down. Albert igwe egwan. Almost wo no wa. No lack of topic in agmofi. No yare the day you want like mofi no wa. Ogiro yogi AKOBE. Bros, we go. We go baba.
I greet everybody.
Good evening, bros.
So I use a general broken language.
Please share this video for me, guys. Thumbs up. Thumbs up is not loud enough.
So,
yes.
What happened for them? The power ran Italy on the 28th.
Yes.
So the show is at 29.
Yeah.
Now my house there for organize the show. So I want to use English, maybe for a year.
Okay, good.
So people when don't call you now, the show organizer when they call Mass Million, they want to carry dread.
Yeah.
Now my very tight friend. The other guy, when we are complete, now my boy be that one.
Okay.
Maybe he go to watch you now. I'll still share this link given. So the third person when organizer, now me see that one 2 times, the same papa, the same mama.
Okay.
So when you play for there that night, let me just be sincere. In the beginning, you know, say for Italy, if you want to do show like that, every show like that, even if you want to do naming ceremony for your house, you need to go take paper from the commune. Then you go to what they call a polizia, the municipal. Then you go take paper.
Okay.
Say you are starting this show like this, and this also like this. Then the government of the area or the local government will understand. Say this thing will take place for that certain area for the period of social time to the other time.
Social time, yeah.
So EPA dey hotel. So when a younger brother call EPA say he dey hotel, but this no dey stop well. My brother call the come EPA and say he go say person come wey be Lizzie K.O. Make come take care of EPA. If he close for work, the lady and her husband will drive more to come EPA hotel with DJ Frozen, Bezu.
Okay.
So when they come take care of EPA, so it's so that in the night of 20, which is the 29th, when the show, I want you to be very brief because I work a day. In case for those when they listen, my name is Leledo. You know, I'm not in my year. So people go, they pray, may you fall.
May they fucking laugh
for
you.
For your head.
Me, I make it out of jail. Yeah.
AKOBE, no one, no two. I just wait. May I explain things very well. Maybe mass. When I call that guy, we call you us now. Maybe you know organizer. You know, explain now where.
Yeah.
People they listen my voice now. Even come work for my house. I think about 2 months ago.
Yeah.
The boy is a very good guy. So then in the night of that 29, do you know say for that kind of show, the main artists when they pay for no go enter show like that. See the small artists go they perform first.
Yeah.
So that time they go. Then they come say where EPA. It's never really the time when EPA want to come out.
Yeah.
So they don't expect EPA to just come like that. Now they say it never reach when EPA go take come. So the people when organize the show, now they get problem, now they get fault. They were supposed to give time for themselves so that if not 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock, because the time when they put, it can't be 10, it'll be 1 o'clock.
Yes.
And even 1 o'clock, show never even start.
Show never starts for it because the bad drink, I might hear you, I might win with
exactly. What you made the fight? Now I want go now. Let me be very brief because I work I did so. So Akobeghian come for the first segment. Say your time when una put, it don't finish make una off musical, then they come out. Then because you know Nigeria things now, we go try to add to our time. And the hall where they carry, not be a cement building hall. Like canopy, this you get what do they call that for here? It go be like hall, but like canopy, but it go secure. You know, no say no be you know say no be hall.
Not be all in a form of a naive nana ball. I understand.
Exactly. They not be soundproof. If not building, it will be soundproof because we get soundproof hall for Italy. You know they come out. Even if you carry one instrument for there, you know they come out. This one not be soundproof hall. Now just open hall, and I see it. I better not be bush. So when Akobeghian come for the second time, EPA never come out. So Akobeghian said no. This one is okay like this because if you don't say you want to play like this, pass here. When the paper when you want to continue playing now, when God you say your time never see expire. Now they come say make the DJ everything off their instrument.
Yes.
So while I call they what to make the fight now I want to tell you now. They come they say the people throw money from there, say if I don't want to play, and they can't say even go fit play. I'm gonna go full everywhere. You say make come play. Then I'm gonna tell you one place. When I see for one blogger something like a bit or something like that, I see for you. When people they share they go say See, Akobe do like that. So I said, what that video I just shake it. I said, why people they always they try to young
that woman, bros, you know her, you know it Facebook, you know where she for do that video. Anybody will see that woman video when you said that.
Listen. Before the woman come out to do video that night, let me tell you what's up. That woman went to meet Akobe. He said he wants to snap picture with her. Now he said, we beg about people go back in. But when you don't move, let me go around with picture. We get on a cool, now the woman
said, speak out for pidgin English, make people for here.
Okay. So, what you made that woman go do live video against a bar for that night? Huh? The woman meet a bar. He said, I want to snap picture with you. Now the pastor said, no. As he is dead now, he not go to snap picture with you. He never did come. Let peace great best. You can snap picture. Now the woman said, I want to carry you go give present and make the saga you say you run enter bush. That's what the matter start.
Okay.
It never even reached 5 minutes. The woman start to do video when you see for her. That's what it happen. A pan wrong. When they concern the part.
Okay.
So that's what it play. And not be sorry when they tell me, you know, I not feel say I joined the organizer, but the one I seen you 3 times and slack with a mask, now you get the show and so many other small artists. Okay. So if you see song where they play for my live video, now that my brother play them.
Okay.
So now so it not be waiting to talk for my ear. Even the slack when that guy when we had complete guy complete cloth. He's a very peaceful, responsible, and calm boy. Now, see, Papa to his as you be. Very responsible person. You know they find trouble. So that the problem when they get, they be organized the show where. But the time come with the problem. Time. Okay. They don't do the needful, the legal thing. The AKOBE not to stay Europe now.
Yeah.
This maybe if you don't read there, you just do your part of the matter. But if I don't forget, say Europe, not be Africa. When we say you can play for Nigeria from morning to night, no wahala. For Europe, night time, when they your paper. And these people don't get time. They don't even go to move. They don't go at the municipal, go take paper, we go guard them. Meaning, as the place they make noise, now so the environment they echo, people will go walk. You know, say in Europe we did now. Now so part of PRØVOKE, they look there. That lady you see on camera shouting at AKOBE, there you are. He went to meet a part, say one snap picture. The part will say, here is too radical now. How do you expect me to come snap with you? They snap picture. So people want to buy something. All this when use 1K, 1, 2, 700, 200, they enter. Call the vest, say their money, go. They don't see what they pay for. They call the throw bottle. And it's one minute.
But must they throw bottle? Why they not do them in a mature way? Must they throw bottle?
Nigeria must show Nigeria now. So that's what they be. AKOBE no even talk through it. AKOBE was looking for peace so that he can play to perform for his money. AKOBE no one, no two. Huh? So that's what they happen with investor.
Where see? Igual video ni anybody know can go now with video ni because almost what a blogger. Oh yeah, na me we talk to almost not bring the video down because the woman where he got any ara wa no or see on ya we madam igual video ni we have iwa gwalo
social media that pay for it because only that woman was like a person where go there and do this then give me the report. I know everybody. Exactly. Also na gwalo a picture woni like go anybody wey get that video or if you dey TikTok where that woman tell us say if AKOBE the pursue come wala wari egunme wala I need that woman picture. They not pursue AKOBE. AKOBE no wrong. AKOBE no hide. They no hide down. Because the lie is too much on him. No, they're not pursue one. Not be waiting there. You know, Enogie, you suppose know me say I not be person when they talk anyhow for media.
I know.
So I don't go they talk say waiting about to say I go the pattern normal call of say no. We are the man ever. Not because say AKOBE my papa make me the join am. They AKOBE want to bully give about more time with investor. If I know my working, AKOBE my ever. And I story no so no they touch it already. Can me not go on be saying when you to that city, betray 3 stuff, very close to me.
Okay.
One matter the people that do the show, they are my boys. No, I even want being based on the respect in the Okay. Even one of them is my younger brother, the same papa, the same mama. So it won't be story where I don't know. So if anybody want to know more details, now me or the organizers. So let's investor. God bless you.
Thank you so much, my brother.
Okay.
Now, my people.
We'll
see, Baba. We'll see. We'll see.
Okay, no problem.
We'll see. Now, my people. First and foremost, this matter so I not go rest like that. No. Almost will not fit bring down a AKOBE name. Make that woman do that video go free. That's number one. Then the boy will start the fight. I need that one picture too. Show organizers what damn yo. If you not provide those two women, that woman and that boy will start the fight. Then no problem. But now provide that for me because why? Now we be sure organizers una get 40% of what happen. But you see that woman and that boy will start fight. Almost will get. If Almost will not send a come, Almost will not go block that woman video. How can you say you want to slap with somebody when there is a problem? There is fat in it. Your boss said this woman now not pay ticket money. Oh. This Mugu woman now, you not pay ticket money, oh, but they were just sent by the enemies to come there, do video and send back to them. Almost came back, come on live video, some fools. I was Zuo. I want to bogbe or say if I see some people for real life, if my spirit not match with you, I'm not snap with you. If you like, say my fans. Because some idiot, if they see you for real life, they go tell you say they be your fans. Make them for free, get you, make you snap picture with them. Yeah. I never see people where they talk say, most of these people go reach fake account where they talk say, Enogie na bad person. If I see Enogie, all of the way they talk say they see me, they'll call they follow me, they joke here. So call they follow me, they joke. Ah, bros, that your video they do very funny. But for their men, that was not what you said the day when you say you meet Enogie. Why they do this video now to clear the air for people who get sense to let them know say, Almost they do that video just to paint a AKOBE black and blue to spread the man name. But presenter now, of your to know what they lock up now, they not talk. But if a party cash on now, some moo, I will wait here do at here. If I'm not a cash on now, I go superstar one. Superstars are human beings. They are people to children. They be papa to children. They be husband to wives. They be picky to parents. Superstar is just a name. They are human beings. You wear the spoil person name, thinking say your own not go spoil. You are on a long team, my dear. Or say, well, we will laugh now. It is hard before you get them because where you are too evil. Everything about Almost is just too. It's full of lies. Thank God now people have begun to know that Almost platform is a dead platform. It's a platform of lies. It's a platform of lies. Platform of deceit. Platform of deceit. If a show organizer can put the blame on himself to defend the AKOBE, that simply means, what are we talking about again? Person will do show say na their fault, no be AKOBE fault. Or Almost will not go show say na AKOBE fault. Yama get platform. So Mumu, no wa, they can't believe. Why you say the patient boy na go share this video for me, give me love and like. A patient boy na need the then that woman video. Whether na TikTok video, any place when I for see that video, even if I don't come off this live video, buy a live video now ready. I need that woman video when you take Sagai AKOBE. You mean that screenshot your face or getting the worry. Then that boy so where bring that problem for Imola City, I still need them. See, some people with Italy is a short advice to you guys. Una too like fight for that Italy. And I believe say that Italy there so. Now go for do that rubbish when they do. That's why some of them enter Germany now they feel they stay because of the system. Some of them will call it and say, "You might like money." Why? Because Germany will not allow you to do what you did in Italy. If not Jama police, my dear, all of you now, when you do that show, person will not agree bring the receipt of that show. All of you go, both the organizers, all of you will go in for it. But Evuyomo is Evuyomo. The land of mothers, not in Italy. That's why they have pity on Una. If not Germany, they ask Una for that receipt of that. I not see the receipt of that will bring. Just the way I go pay 6,000 now, 6,500, both security and all for my marriage. And one move tomorrow, go out come they come make problem. Police will call ask me, Mr. Sadiaye, can you please give us the receipt of this or if we make any receipt to you? My dear, the kind jail where I'll go, not be here. And the people who still give me that hole, they go still the problem. I don't know why Italian people lifestyle, some, not be all, some Italian people lifestyle. You may not say the life and I give it now. Must you fair to drag your money. The person who is set ticket on no know him is a musician, Maximilian. Everyone walking out on the then now, no even know now say if they would arrange another show, say if a park will become Europe again, you can't play for that show for free. You will buy ticket. You suppose know who is set ticket for. Okay, cannot get ticket in because tomorrow somebody can walk up to him and say, well, he read the ticket in there. He's going to run at lost. Because anytime, any day, a power play for there. I go even advance him. May not carry Pago Imola again. If not Ravenna when he day, because Maximilian did Ravenna. May carry Paco, go Ravenna, may go play there. Because if I said that Imola, so a policeman will do my way. Some part for Italy now do some things. Now go free for Germany. Yeah, they happen. They happen at all. Must you fight to defend yourself? Okay, that boy wanna go shook now. Wanna go bust the head now. If that boy come by now, what you go tell na God see na do? Rudego kere wak bomawa. The that mumu woman. No ye na ge brand na soki you want me. Una ya time mozo no ya delete video ni. Almost one ran there to delete it because why? Now do saga. But trust me, people they will go still put that video for TikTok. People they will go still put that video for different places. You got me video ni anytime, any day where I want to see this video because the reason why I came out to do this video was to clear the air. Almost what came out and was lying. Yeah, we pala win. They go drive a pine bush. He was lying because why? He does saga a pa. We don't saga a passe. Today to tomorrow, epa ye show. Today to tomorrow, agmo ye mapa. Today to tomorrow, he's still going to show back to back. Now show when he get for Nigeria, then he can go back to Nigeria. Maybe for still the Europe. Then plan and give me the pay before they come out. So una way to organize that show, na not try at all. Now bring insult to epa. Now bring insult to yourself. Now still make people fight on a show. But it's not advisable for you guys to start fighting. It's not advisable because una way they fight for Italy. If una come Germany, una no try fighting in Germany. Really, for that kind of show. And when receipt really my dear, but now all of una will still in prison. Now you get rid of your fair put una first. Then now judge go come talk where una go whether na 1 year una go spend for prison, whether na 2 years old. Germany go decide for now. That is the truth. That is the truth. Mugu. Now Italy for no say somebody go to vex or you go wait for you for party. Really? Really? For Germany, you invest for person. You go wait for that for party. You be fool. Now Nigeria they agree you to go. I don't know. That's why in Macaron sorry yo. When in Italy wahama. So people for Italy now make me not like Italy. So people for Italy now make me not like Italy. You see person when you buy only one start of one bottle of start, you come party come spoil party where they use almost 10,000 euro do. Now Italy for the happen. Now Italy for the gang up say this boy too fun. I go meet him. Where you want for go play? You the year Padova. You the year this. You the year that you say okay. They go buy ticket. Some of them not go even buy ticket. They go see Biletto Prague go for train. They go they follow Biletto Prague go the whole ground. They not get ticket oh. Now they want go make problem oh. Now they go still the whole ground. Then if Italian people can't deport una tomorrow or they can't carry una put for prison, they can't carry una put for kirikiri, una can't cry and say, I'm tired of living in Italy. Italy is the best place to live in. As a Nigerian, Italy is the best place to live in. They are not fools. The kind of atrocities you guys committed last weekend, if not Germany now going for it, go to the show organizer. Now let AKOBE they'll free because that one they'll say as okay, na superstar. Okay. They'll give a AKOBE back. Say, my passport will be where you can go with your manager. The rest of now going. Germany. Hello. 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 Okay. 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 Yeah, I'm coming. I'm coming. Thank you. All right. You understand? Now that Italy there, now you see person, though they use court, they follow each other, they fight for Italy. You go say, who be that man, say? Say that man. I don't understand the berets when they put for head. Where they go this weekend? Okay, no worry. I go meet her. Alpha Biggie. Who want her? They'll go the show. They'll go carry the boy come and say, make on the identify yourself. Alpha. What's the way? Identify yourself. If you don't want to spoil this show. For Germany, you tell person may identify yourself. Even if the person are Jew, you tell the person for Germany, no in law, it go put you for problem. It go bear you, go owe you with police. Now small thing go tell police about you finish for phone. But you see that Italy, now things una fit do rubbish, do anything una want do because now we yomo. Now we yomo. You where the same person identify yourself, you don't get 50 boundary for Nigeria. You don't get land for Nigeria, you identify yourself for Europe. You dey pray, make person party spoil. Then tomorrow, you say me God come bless you. Person set ticket for now. As show come spoil. For now to calm down, wanna ask what really happen. We make the show spoil. Then they see shows the spoil like that. Kids down the show we be one come for London. It cancel around. Davido, this different things happen. They'll come play pool the next time. But Italy, you know, for where now one fact. Now one do say the rubbish one I not fit do for Nigeria. Now one can do it for Italy. May I see the picture of the boy who scattered that show? It can't be too I go beat you now. Eh? I don't go to say I mean between on that bit. Because why? If I don't start to the dragon and they come out like this, so that people go the fear to come go the fight for party for Italy. I'm not sure now stop on. Because a lot of us for Italy now they only give them out again because black. Go rich house where person they rent. Now for only Italy. Now they don't give person code fiscal again. If you don't get how you take day for Italy now, you cannot have code fiscally. If you don't get where you take day for Italy now, or you not give you house, may you rent. Now only Italy, now Nigerian person will carry Italo person go prison. You carry and go prison. You carry and go court. You go tell them say like this now. Or more than 1 year one can stay for this. Are you no parents? Judge go tell them say stay there for 1 year, not parents. Nigerians don't give Italy bad name. So many bad names. Some Nigerians in Italy don't give Nigerian bad name from Italy. That's why you see some people now. So they ask you, where are you from? If they don't talk say now in Nigeria, they forgot the log bagger. Yeah, they go over there. Oh, why are they going here? Because of their useless and stupid character. Hello.
Hello there.
Where am I?
Hello.
Where am I?
You sent a video.
He needed the picture boy ni no siezo. Odi me gwalo. Gwalo. Then we use one to show example. But understand me? Because that boy, you be one give a AKOBE bad name. Then also don't bother to save a power. Have a organizer. If one act moya with him. Now so you forgive the AKOBE bad name. Mogus. Awegwe. Imola City. I go enter una house. I go follow back here come at here. They go bring una picture. From there, people can't know una friends. All una friends go in for this matter. For Facebook. If una see me more na hold me. Me thought I can fire all of una. No go so go to Bowa. Hello. Why am I wagmo?
No. The way they tell now, sir, not only to give the house, but we want to know one because you have to open a account for Nigeria people, not Italy. Look at your account. Why would Nigeria here to because of in the daily going out?
Okay.
Nigeria account.
Not the year.
In Nigeria, account.
Not the year. Because of the atrocities. When the God of Israel. Oh, no, Master Yahweh. This will not reach. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Oh.
And the person you are not every month. I'm out to any landlord.
God.
But the building like you're showing the case in court. Make sure the court will decide if they are allowed to come and take their property before they could be over here.
God.
But then now when they are going to kill, the court is going to be one. So here you are when you are
for that prison by now, your boss person here, you know you're outside. How? Jama police. But I can do it. Yeah, it just not shock you. They'll shock you. You are you know if you come over for there. Where's Jerry? I don't like Italy. I don't stay Italy. Even if they say they want to give me passport, yet he might like a money. God forbid. Where's over here? Where's he? God forbid. Make them bring your picture first. You know that they call investor Enogie. You boss person and you dare sad for Germany. They not born your papa. They not born your papa way to their side. Hello, Ire.
Yeah, hello, investor.
Wa ma wagmo.
Otiawa.
Giveji.
Hello, Otiawa.
Give o.
Hey, Baba. Hello. Otiawa, your party.
Asia, my sister. Very well.
Hey, even the yeah. Even happy birthday once again to my twin.
Thank
happy
you,
birthday.
Thank you so much.
Hey, how's my wife? How's she doing?
Yeah, we are doing great and fine.
Yeah. I want to just contribute little thing. Just that our African brothers, me most times you see the reason why I don't associate myself with them. We are up to me because many of them here in Italy and region mona village master or village only near day.
Yeah.
Understand? Here master to English people or we are here master to have a das in a lumianare. So no say so what Boma Maya, understand first and foremost what good landlord the holy grant. And in that way we were. In that set we continue working.
Yes.
To the extent to overdo what step is a problem. Every so I want notice where in Nigeria can do one is because of here rent over. I want to do one. Here in Nigeria can do what set here.
Sure.
They reject them. They'll start giving excuses. Understand? So what? Why I rent over? Why I go what set here? Why I rent it? Man, why I rent it? Man, why I marry away? Why I collect you go? You don't remit the money. You don't pay to.
No, if I bring my picky come back just now for school, me myself, I'll go talk about it because a lot of complaints don't come from Italy like this, a lot. But I hear they look, they say, when you have but now I want to full Italy. Full Italy.
You know what?
Full Italy, I want Lala.
How many years ago? Well, 7 years ago, 6 years ago. Now, the police give money like because again, several like 2 months ago, 3 months ago, on the 250, 240, the crime commit. So they are doing all these things now. And they just want money and Italy now know what's happening. Italy they are not arresting arresting all of them one by one. When they are continue, Italy arresting them one by one now. He has the only enjoy it. And then I actually where everyone the great way day. And then I zoom here where any of you have a woman or where you are bullying up, you know, who are running, finish to put attacking around.
Yeah.
Money who are needing the way they move. You can really who are not showing who are. These are the things that will not happen in your own country. A foreigner cannot come to your country to commit nuisance like this. If they do a job, a poster pay any care count in here. Any care count in what can Nigeria care count? Like few of us now in our country, I mean, now I don't win now. You are a winner, you have a contract. They control it, okay, on a winner. Okay, the money is coming from the workplace. I see, I like all him and they did not close it. They close many people, they did close my own because of what they clean.
Yeah.
I don't have any problem. And they are seeing my money, can you make any withdrawal? Even when I was working with this company, Juice Plus, I was every yes, the journey morning, because they were using those poster pay. They are our levels. When I could say poster pay on a particular money, no, I can allow. Because on some like evolution is about 5,000 or so.
Yeah.
But somebody like 5,000 way. Any other one don't tell me go near now. They cannot express themselves. And so when you have one baby, you have what you be, you have one who are yet you are committing user system. You have been alleged, but we are allowed there. You have allowed the whole world. We finish people not to tie in your that is just their dirty lifestyle. What me and I have to work. That's what yes, smoking rubbish in it. You are committing users.
God forbid.
Oh,
yeah, one now. 1 year return have with full squad. Yeah, one letter now. Because of what we Uwanyi, why so not Italy? Uwanyi when I live why so some people living there. Uwanyi when I go and Rinia Magba. Where so you? Where see? Remember like Italy. One more thing, Bega and Yogame. Is it time again? Mama, we aware. We don't marry away, but why you not like it? It might like the system. Now, Nigeria, Italy for the street for a year 2011, 2007, 2003. Now, Italy they sweet for a year. If you go Nigeria, go to the say you come from Italy, they look you like Mugu. Shoggy man, one road, no Italy, and your do is the country, okay, this one and next person. I'm well, you are Muria, Wabola Wagbe, why so?
hello.
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 Hey, sister. See the woman.
Happy birthday to my wonderful twins.
Yes, I don't hear you.
Happy birthday to my wonderful twins.
Thank you, my sister. Thank you. Double bass.
Yeah, sorry to say, my own different way. Almost you are monocoin. I'm with you, I'm one of Dora, Madera Coena. Then, of course, Mammy or no say you're Banako, you see your life. Now, to tell you, I do explain anything. If you people did not know, if we don't want monocoin, monosua, or who social media, what are you using it for? To saga your brothers and sisters. When I'm taking a lot of telling me, so you're sorry. No, via Latina, no, Tamaya, no, Westia, no encouraging ya. You don't do that. Why not swan away when you know when me are echo any who to us what you swallow live with you. Then we go set down not say away. When you understand the boy now. And you know, she pay time, and you know, she pay ballo is that way. Omami monotote bayera saga Akobeghian.
Yes, Ali.
You understand? That is the pains. No way. The same thing we own now. I mean, we Becky like and we are never bother like me. We're not here me out here. We have to Akobe live with your Becky in your me and where talk where.
No.
Oh, where or your keke, which you are not saying your in mineral way. Damian, okay. Mona listen. But then a boy now, Mutan also error. Don't know yes, that Dr. Latin with the first time.
You know, almost alone.
Don't know, okay, don't know my get okay, me out here. Then what tears and drag book. You know, Akobeghian, don't know it to no gonna no go. You know, I only time I'll give a second in India. I tell you.
Mudiao, why you only time you here?
I want to take Italy or no Takari. Ige Oninazega, so enough to Lajavega. Tis all literally Italy now. Understand the little Boconi. We have your little Italy or Casolita.
Yeah.
I almost to one VSC. Oh, one VSC, because you're waiting to see a door by say, we know in Latin, we know you don't have waiting out by Sakobe. Who wants you to advise them?
Well, vessel man, no, wow. When you're part of this system, everyone not here, everyone not tag way fast or go must be happy. Any may blame. Frankie. And your Frankie have feel where is relevant in the society.
That is it. I cannot take care of what we have to have better click back. No, the thing to lower that for she.
God forbid bad thing. Or when what back we when Francomoso, I like Francomoso. You like Francomoso, really? Yeah. Oh. Four children, different father. I am your wife. Even no Zuola. Or when you your one, we're best, you know. Or we're best. Oh, yeah, presenters or novel or ye, no yak boboye, or see no feel where is relevant to the society. Of your talk, man, okay, yes, arrest. Qui va violer le nom de supermarket beggar. Supermarket beggar.
Because my author Makba, or what see me,
God forbid.
the mother starting and that video of you what will be in the rule Balatia. The people coming on the platform to let them know of what Helele. I know pass of 1 year. Body of 1 year. I can't go where pass of we are in your born allow it be. Eh? The video is here because everyone now want so provoke. You don't bring people like that. You don't bring people like that. It's here, Bobo. And you look at them with winners, you open at them when I'm away. A back your penna. Or the bass arrest like Bebekina.
Medeniaba. Medi.
If I put one like in our war, and every Joma go almost would like what? Another way.
Avec nana mugo ye beki uvedo. Ove gie me mavederio. We know we say. Vamos one away. A marriage or ye kevi. Oh, where can I go your wa? About them yoga, that time baby. Mama baby can only go your Dimo Olita, Yaris and Ajay, and Webogbe. That is the truth.
Understand? To provoke, not provoking. Understand?
Deti mesika Paolita. Yawe kameno ya Webogbe. Sorry. Ive tamawe pamawe vio Deti mesiko eh. Ijebe. Ah, Webogbe Udano. Udano.
Thank you everyone for watching. God bless you all, my amazing people. My people, what do you not think about this matter? Me believe say now all this call and then be the problem of social media presenter. For me, na be my own opinion. Not fair to drop your opinion. God bless you all. Stay blessed. Bye bye.